Relax.
What is it?
Your husband is inside.
Please, my husband. You know he's not ready to give it to me. And why are you acting like this now? I thought we had an agreement.
Yes. But not like this.
Listen, he's inside. He's not ready to give it to me. You're ready to... Do you want me to go outside?
For crying out, it's my brother we're talking about, my cousin brother.
Please, we've heard that 1,000 times. He's your cousin brother. Are you going to give it to me or not? Or you want me to go outside? I can go outside if you want me to go outside.
Relax.
Anyways,
why are you doing like this?
I'm just activating what's going to happen later. So, what do you say?
Yes. Well, this is not bad though. And I imagine what we got done there. He's inside. Relax.
He's just inside. He's not coming outside.
Is he going anywhere?
I think he's going out. He was dressing up.
Are you hurry? I'm gonna spoil you.
So I was saying that. Seriously, the movie is actually very interesting if you check it very well. Hi, baby.
Hello.
Baby, are you stepping out?
Yeah, I am. How you doing?
Oh, fine.
Are you good?
I'm fine.
All right. You're here.
I'm here.
Yeah. What's up, cuz? How you doing?
I'm good.
I see. Okay, so look, I need to rush down to somewhere. Okay, so I'm going out with the Benz. Yeah, going out with the Benz. So you let me do something. You let me take the Venza to the mechanic store and service it very well. Okay? Do you understand me?
But nothing's wrong with the car.
No, something is wrong. Like so many things are wrong with the car. So you need to take it to the mechanic place and make sure you service it very well for me. When I mean service, I mean service it. You understand me?
No problem.
All right. So service it, okay? So yeah, when you're done servicing and you're back home, in case you don't make me steal, just go to the fridge. I kept your favorite drink so you can relax after
I can't.
service it. Yeah.
That's easy, Baba. I did for you. I'll serve.
All right. So yeah, you be good, okay?
Babe, are you coming back anytime soon?
Yeah, sure. But I might stay longer, I might not, but okay? You be good, all right? Yeah. All right, so please don't forget to service it very well.
Bye, baby.
All right, bye-bye.
Hold on. He knows something.
What are you saying now? We know something. It's not here. Let's do it. You are the one that wants this thing. Now I'm ready to give it to you. I'm telling you, no. Let's go to my
Listen to me. That man is my husband. I've been married to him for 3 years. He knows something. When I say he knows something, believe me, he knows something. Something is wrong. The way he was saying it, you should service the car. He knows.
It's the car now. Normally, I'm the one that used to take the car to the mechanic, so I want to service it.
Jesus Christ. The drink in the fridge. The drink. Something is wrong. It could be poisoned. The drink is not even full. Are you seriously going to drink it?
Relax. Why would my cousin brother kill me for what? I've not done anything bad.
Because he knows.
He knows. You keep saying he knows. He knows what?
He knows something is going to happen. Like he knows. He
knows something's going to happen.
Listen to me. He knows.
You have the one that have been shouting. Let's do this thing.
I want it, but I can't. Listen. Hold on.
You have taken me to the moon. Let's go inside.
He knows he's going to kill us, and I don't want to die yet. He's going to kill us.
Wait. What are you insinuating?
I have an idea. We're going to play his game.
His game?
Yeah.
I put up my eyes, dangerous, I rise, touch God, I cry, of show, got my dreadlock, see me, I don't pray to my maid, I don't pray, command me, no I can't stay for one place, for God's sake, my dear, come and me.
This is it. The wit. This is the end for you, right? No, just look at yourself. Just see. You are liking the same thing that I like. My own wife. Just you're so gullible. Like you're so gullible. You played right into my trap. You helped me fix my car, and when you're done, get the drink in the fridge, and you got the drink. Now you're dead because that was the plan from the beginning. I wanted to take your life, and now I have done that. And you call yourself my brother. To hell with your body.
That's right. I have everything on camera.
What are you doing? Stop that! What are you doing?
How could you do this to your own brother? How? You're a very wicked.
Could you stop this?
Leave me alone.
So you want to end my life? You want to end my life? What did I do?
What's going on here?
Did I do anything wrong to you? Did I do anything? I've not even touched your wife. And you want to end my own life?
I can't even think right. I can't even believe you could do something like this after everything you've done to me. You've been stabbing me for years. You've been stabbing me for years. And then when I ask, he says, I married you because you're a good woman. Your words keep ringing in my head. You said I'm not sexually attracted to you anymore. How could you do this? How? Why? Why are you treating me like this? Why? I know you're getting me somewhere else. I knew it. Lie. Pretend. Deny. You've been getting me somewhere else. And now I want to deal with your brother. And then you plan to kill him. You see? How could you? How could you? How? You know what? I'm done. I'm done with this rubbish. I'm done with this nonsense. I want a divorce. I want a divorce and I'm getting it.
And so? Yes, you can get it. You can have the divorce.
Can you at least listen to yourself? Can you listen to yourself? Your wife is saying this kind of thing. You should apologize to her. Telling her you're sorry. You have been stabbing this lady for the past 3 years. Me and you know what's up. Me and you the gist. Now your wife will talk about here. Love is not enough. You can't just leave a woman in the house. You left her alone and you're my brother. We gist. We talk these things. I've not done anything with her and God knows I won't do it with her. She wants it. You're not pushing her to go outside. You're not pushing her, and because I'm here, she wants it with me. She's even saying she don't want to go out because of you. She's even respecting you. We at least change. Which one you married her because she's a good woman and you are not sexually attracted to her? How? Is that marriage? Marriage is supposed to be happiness. Marriage is supposed to be something you would enjoy. My guy, wake up! Yes, I mean to have my flaws, but I'm not going to do anything with her. I was even saying, if you want to come, we'll talk. She knows you very well. Do you know her? Do you? You want to end my life?
I can't believe you, but actually, I am a woman. I have feelings. I need to be touched. You push me away. You push me away. You make me feel like nothing. Now look at what you almost did to your cousin. What you almost did to him. You almost spoiled everything.
Look. I know I'm at fault here. No, I'm at fault. Like, I'm sorry.
So wicked.
I'm sorry.
I want a divorce. I'm going to get it. I can't keep doing this for you.
Don't cry. Sorry. Alright? Like I'm truly sorry. I'm sorry for what is happening. very, very sorry.
Everyone wants to love you, and I really wants to love you. I love you so much.
I know you love me, and I actually love you too.
You still love me?
Look, I love you so very much, and I'm sorry for everything I've done. Okay? Babe, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm truly sorry. We need to go inside and talk privately. Okay? I'm sorry. Come on. We need to talk inside privately. Yeah? I'm sorry. I'll be with you shortly, and you can. Don't worry. I'll see you later.
Yes. Let's go for celebration. How do we? Say, you are serving your wife. For what now? Let me drink to you guys.
It's the drink. It could be poisoned. The drink is not even full.
Poison.